I'm Matt, and this is
Bryson.
And we're going
To fish.
That's right. Join us. We're going to a bunch of random places, so we will see y'all when we get there.
Yep.
Hit the camera.
My little fishing buddy Bryson by my side. Hey! Bucket full of snacks and a grin of mine. While casting in the water, watching bobbers ride. He's my little fishing buddy, my favorite guy.
We're here and then got my pole that we got from Walmart, and then we got this all set it up. We're on our way to get to our fishing spot, and it was kind of funny smacking the camera.
Can you undo that?
Yeah.
All right. Throw out there.
Oh, I think kind of fun now. This is kind of fun.
You gotta reel that one. That's one you gotta reel.
I just saw a bump over here.
Did you?
I thought that took off with it.
Oh, got one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Is that a big
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Can I hold it?
Oh, it broke my line. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
That's a big one.
This is a freaking huge one, dude.
Hold it.
Hold on.
Are you going to throw it back in?
Not yet. I want you to hold the camera for me. Look at
Guys, Matt just caught a
Back
huge
up.
one.
this. Back up, back up, back up.
Matt just caught a huge one, and that's what he caught, guys. And
Little largemouth.
Yep.
You want to release it for me? You want to let it go?
Yeah.
Hold it tight. Hold it tight. That one's a little sharp. All right. This is our second location of the day. Bryson, tell them this is our second location of the day.
it is, and we never been here. This new Matt's new spot. We don't know what's here.
Tied on these rooster tails. Try to catch these little fish that's in this little pocket here.
Oh, I about to got one.
Oh, got one.
Got one.
Yep.
Good job. See, they like this.
They like these, yeah.
Got
Oh.
one. No, I did it.
There's that and goes back. Oh, got one. Got another little guy.
Oh, cool.
Oh. Hold on.
Sorry, reel it. Oh, I got one. Yep, I got one. The heavy one. Matt, help me. The heavy one.
You're hung, dude. Oh, there we go.
Get one.
Oh, that is a beautiful big one. You're learning.
I know, but I'm just...
No, quit saying bad things. You're good at fishing. Oh, heck, that was a big one though. It did fin me.
It did?
Yeah.
Let's see where it's...
We're at our last spot. Are we gonna catch some, or are you gonna catch some good?
I'm gonna catch some good.
Last and final spot. Show them your pole. Tell them what you're using. That's called a rooster tail.
We're using a rooster tail. As soon as it hits the water, we'll start reeling this.
And then I am using a Hilgermite. So let's see if we can get on some at this last place. As soon as it hits water. Real, real, real. As soon as it hits water. Throw it. Now go.
Just like that now?
Yeah, just like that. With the lure I'm using, I don't do that because it's made to stay on the bottom.
Oh, got one.
There you go.
Woo!
There you go.
Woo! That's a little tiny, cute one. Guys, we just got us a new one on my rod because he was kind of good.
Can you hold his mouth?
Yes.
Can you open it?
Oh.
All right.
Cheese.
There he goes. All right, reel it. Yep.
Got it. Got one.
Yeah, whoa.
Got one.
There you go. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big
Big one.
red breast, they call it. I think it is.
Woo! Guys, we just got us another one on air. I'll lay it down right there.
The pole?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not too rough with it. Here. Grab it by. Hold it tight.
Ow.
It's going to be a little bristly. It's fine though. Hold it tight. Look. All right, throw it back. Oh, wow. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And tell them y'all go fishing.
Y'all go fishing.